The Ooni of Ife, Oba Enitan Ogunwusi, has disclosed that the local cure for coronavirus has reached an advanced stage. Ooni said this on Wednesday while presenting two locally made modular motorized fumigators and drone for aerial fumigation to the Ogun State Government at Oke-Mosan, Abeokuta. Ooni added that he had been struggling to provide a traditional cure for COVID-19 alongside the traditional medicine practitioners in Nigeria. He said, "They are going to proffer the local cure for coronavirus very soon. We are at an advanced stage with the traditional medicine practitioners in Nigeria. I am very happy that the same thing that we are talking about in Nigeria, another sister country, Madagascar, has taken it upon themselves, and even the US government, they have even reached out to them for funding," says Ogunwusi. The monarch, however, said the two locally made fumigators were given to the state to complement efforts of government at combating the spread of the pandemic disease. The state governor, Dr. Abeokuta, commended the monarch for the support. The royal father, in a statement he personally signed on Wednesday, denied issuing a statement that condemned the streaming of the play and also threatened to seek court redress. The statement read, "The House of Abeokuta completely dissociates itself from all unauthorized statements purportedly issued on behalf of the House of Abeokuta seeking to condemn the streaming of the play or seeking court redress. As the cultural custodian of Moromi story, heritage, the House of Abeokuta is happy for as many productions of the story of Moromi Ajisro, the legendary heroine from Ife, as possible."